effect National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hartford, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hartford, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield,